Hello everyone, this is Joan of Arc and Holger here. He's having a great time being pampered by me. Now, just for this video, we have a Filipino food challenge. This is a popular Pinoy food, so let's try it and what he can say about this food.
No, there's actually a reason for me lying down, but we don't want to. Let's try.
He's sick.
Very nice. Garlic chili.
Would you consider it to be a favorite?
Hey, I have to. A favorite?
We call this cornic.
As you can see, I'm munching away, so it's good.
So in a scale...
If I have peanuts, I think I still go for a mixed nuts party mix, salty, but that's good.
That was good. Okay, next product.
But that's Aussie.
Is it?
We have.
No.
We have.
Ah, okay, so I take this out. No, that's not Pinoy. Okay.
Your hybrid.
That's not. Are you sure that's Aussie? That's not Aussie. This is Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Maybe it's imported.
No, what I mean is, we have that in Australia as well.
Wow.
And England. England, the mother of all chips.
No, but this brand.
No.
Jack and Jill.
Well, same as anything.
Same.
Well, big one. Yummy, good, traditional.
Traditional.
No surprises. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I have an Ilonggo word for you. While you're munching, the word for munching is USANG. And what are you having there?
Tea.
That's red roselle tea. Tea in Ilonggo is cha. And munching is usang. Usang. Usang.
Usang. Usang. I am eating. Usang.
Naga.
Usang naga.
Naga. Usang. Ako.
Oo. Ikaw din.
Ano ang ginausang mo? What are you munching?
Chips. Usang ko. Chips.
Nagausang ako.
Nagausang ako chips.
That's right.
Because I'm just eating. What if I said usang ko?
It's not a sentence. It's just two words. Usang is a verb and ko is a me. What's that?
Oh no, that's not.
It's like saying eat me. It even makes sense in English. Eat me. Or me eat.
So it's not I eat?
No. It's the verb first. Nagausang ako. You can also say ako nagausang. But it's more likely that we say the verb.
Nagausang ko?
We say the verb first. And
So
then...
you say ako or ko?
Ko is short for ako.
Nagausang ako?
Ako.
O nagausang ko?
We have a different use for that.
So it would be nagausang ako.
Yes. Nagausang ako chips.
Okay.
So that's our mini video for munching away nagausang sang chips. Kag cornic. Kag is and. So you can say chips and cornic or chips kag cornic.
Nagausang ako chips kang
Kag.
kag safari.
Safari. Good, 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 good. Because we call certain products by brand as the generic name for that. So the Ilonggos don't even call this cornic. It's a Tagalog term, but for the Ilonggos, we call this by brand. So if it's Safari, it is Safari. If it is Coke, it's not soft drinks, but Coke. If it's a toothpaste, it's not toothpaste, but Colgate. This is John Award and Holger. Get well soon, dear.
I'll be back.
Be back. Bye for now.